Hey guys, and I'm going to be doing a squishy package, so I'm really excited, and first I'm just going to show you a few squishies that I already have. So, I already have my medium, sky blue, and peach, super squishy. I have this long packet. This isn't my whole collection, but this is just the that I have. Next, I have this panda butter. And those are just a few I have lying around, so I'm going to go up to my squishy package, so I'm really excited, but I hope it's not bad. So, putting all my squishies that I have here. So I'm just going to get the package open. So I'm guessing this is medium. This is my jumbo Punimaru and super squishy. It is it's a bit defected. That's fine. This is really texture on the back of the Punimaru licensing. And it comes with this pink ball chain. And then this pink that's like an acrylic tag. That's this squishy. Okay, next I got this Gyro Jumbo egg, but they gave me a small, and they're supposed to say this is really soft, but it's very dense and hard as a rock. It's like a stress ball too, because I know the squishy. It's really not squishy at all. But anyways, here's the gold tag. I mean the gold ball chain. Let's see. Here tag. So that's that. I really hope this is extra. But yeah. Next, I have my Hello Kitty bun. I did order this. So it's good. It's really soft, but it's really dirty. And there's like a few cracks. There's like cracks. Oh, it's not that squishy at all. There's something hard in it too. There's like something hard in it. Oh my god. There's something inside. The little, the clear thing. Wow. Well, here's that. Next, I feel my Swiss roll, my Canadian Swiss roll. This is a homemade cake roll. It's like the icing is like rock hard. It's homemade. I really hope this isn't extra because I do not want this. I found my Lucio the bright pink ball chain. See that? So this is really detailed. You can see like everything right there. There are a few defects. That's fine. And it's like a little bit dirty too. On the marks, but this is like a stress ball too. I don't know if they just put this tag on here and made a whole new one. And like printed this out, but it's like a stress ball. It's just a bad quality. So that's the air conditioner. Two more squishies left. I have, okay, so I have my Rilakkuma bread loaf. Right there. It comes with this just orange thing. Oh, so squishy. And then there's like the chocolate drizzle design on there. Like, this is so squishy. It's really squishy. Like, just look at that. Next, I have my medium English butter bread. Oh my god. Look at this. 3, 2, 1. Cracks and wrinkles in the back. It's really soft. That's pretty squishy. I thought it was gonna be really, really squishy, but it's pretty squishy. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna contact her about these three. So this is the homemade, well, the Cafe Bien Swiss roll. This just looks like horribly made good Swiss roll. And like the icing is peeling off too. And then the Rilakkuma cream puff, vanilla cream puff with the Rilakkuma face, because it's super defected. Like, it's just peeling and peeling, and I'm not even putting like pressure to peel it off. Okay, next I'm gonna contact her about this, because I ordered the large, and it did come with the right tag and everything, but it's just like a stress ball as well, and it's very hard. It's like rock hard, and it's like not squishy at all. So yeah, I guess that's my squishy package. But this one also smells like strawberries. It smells so good. I do like this one, even though there's a few defects, but that's fine. So I'm definitely gonna contact her about these three, because she just completely messed up some of my order. And yeah, but I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye. Just kidding. This is a spoof. Okay, so this is a spoof. I'm at my friend's house, and she has, these are not my squishies. She's the one who has the eye bloom peach, and the English bread, and the Rilakkuma, the Hello Kitty, the dragon egg, the cream puff. Ooh, this one's really airy. The Swiss roll, which is cavity in, she just took it off and it just got really defected over the time. The pig, I don't know if I showed that already. And then she has the coffee cup. These are all mine that I brought, so I like this one. So this is my favorite. It's so squishy. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also, by the way, do you want to see Peyton sleeping? She's sleeping. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.